Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video of Fix It Felix. Today we have this 2011 Tahoe. This would work in a 2007 all the way to 2014 Tahoe or Suburban. I'm going to show you how to replace your boring stock interior lights, as you can see these ones, and we're going to install the bright LED ones. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. We're also going to replace these ones as well, and also this ones. All right, this is the demo on how it looks with the stock lights, the one that comes with it. As you can see, it's very dark. You see, all of them are on and it's very dark. You can see better in person, but still it's dark. Oh, and we also have this light giving some light too, so it's even worse. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let me open the back one too. You see, very dark. All right, so I'll be putting a link down below where you can buy the LED lights. I ordered them and I got them in less than 2 days. It was super fast. Is this one right here. Let me open. And you get a total of 15. All right, so there we go. We get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 of these ones, 2 of these ones, 4 of these ones, and 2 of these ones. Total of 15. All right, now we're going to start with these ones. What you can do is you can press this button just to turn them off. That way you don't burn yourself. Using a flathead screwdriver, you can be very careful because there's a high chance you can break this. So you can like push it here and then just pull down. And let me show you this one as well. The flatter the screwdriver is, the better, so you don't break it. There. And I'm doing this with one hand, so it's more difficult. So we got this part open. Now let's do the same on this side. Let me try this one. There. And it comes out. Can you just put it somewhere safe? And that's 2 bolts. Be careful, they might still be hot. Yeah, in my case they're still hot, but let me try. Okay, there. So we removed one. Now let's remove the other one. Oops. All right, got it. And it's really simple to put. Just basically, this is easy way. Press and then just turn it so you can face down. Just press and then just turn it there, and you can press the button. Let's see if it turns on. Okay, we only got one side, so I think this is backwards. There you go. Oops, hold on. There. And that's it. We got this side. Now we can put this back. All right, so the way to put this, we're going to put this side in first, like this, and then you just push there. Perfect. Now we go to this one. Now we're here. Now with this ones, you can see there's a little hole right here, especially for the flathead. You can just press and it comes down. Good. And then we do the same one with this one. You just press and pry it open there. And oh, they're hot. Okay, we got this one and that one, and same thing. There are the new ones there and there. Now always make sure to turn it on first, just to see if they turn on. Okay, so this one is good. This one we gotta turn it there. All right, so here we're going to put this side in first where the little hole is, and right here we're gonna push this in, and then we just push it there. You can hear the click. Perfect. Same thing with this one. We put the little thing inside in first, and we push this little one. Perfect. And perfect. Now we're going to go replace this one. Okay, now with this one we're going to put the fathead screwdriver right here. This side will not open, so we only have to open this side. So just pry it open like this. Oops. Yeah, this part is the one that's holding this, so don't worry about it if yours falls down too. And we're going to do the same. There, we got this one out. Then the other one. There. You can press the button now just to check if it turns on. Yeah, so this is good. Turn off that one. And this one is backwards. So there. And just make sure you put this inside and just push there. Perfect. Now to replace this ones, it's the same for all four of them. So I'm just going to show you how to do one. So basically right here, you can put a flathead screwdriver and pry open this side, and then do the same one on this side, and it should come out easy. And that's the little guy right there. We can just get it out there, and we're going to put this one in. Now I think, there you go, let me see there. I don't know if you can put them the other way. Let me see if they work this way. So yeah, no, they don't work this way, so you gotta go like this there. So okay, I got this side. Now do the same thing for all the other ones, and it should be the same. So I'll show you how it looks when I finish all the other two. All right, just finished replacing them. It was really simple, really easy. There it is. I know it doesn't look as bright right now, but at night they look brighter at night. All right, finished with this. Now let's go to the side view mirror ones. Okay, now we're here on the driver's side with the side rear view mirror, and as you can see, there's a little hole right here, so you can put a flathead screwdriver. So we can put this inside and just pry it open, and it should come out there. Now right here, you can just turn and pull, and it comes out. You can put this anywhere so you don't lose it, and this you can just pull out. There, it comes out. Now we get the one we just bought, and we're gonna put this one inside here. There. Get this one, put it here, and turn. That easy as that. There. That's it. You can do the same for the other side. It's basically the same thing. And this is how it looks with the LED lights. As you can see, it's a really big difference. You can see pretty much everything. See? And I'll open the trunk. Wow, that's nice. And that's pretty much it. These ones for me don't turn on. I mean, I don't know how to turn them on. I think they turn on whenever you have the remote key, but I only have this key. It didn't came with the with the remote. I have to get it programmed, so that's what I'm gonna do next, but maybe in another video. So that's it, guys. This is how to replace the interior lights as well as this one right here. I really hope you find this video helpful in any way. If it did, please let me know down below in the comment section if it was good for you, if it helped you. And if it did, please give a big thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and see you on the next one. Peace.